Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time dropping by, kindly hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And to you, my old subscribers, thank you so much for the love you've been showing me. I really appreciate everything. My name is Ophel Nasaab. I talk about how to grow a healthy natural hair and how to maintain a huge natural hair. Everything about hair, I've got you covered. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can moisturize your hair. Before that, I want to talk about some benefits of moisturizing your hair. Well, the first one I'm going to talk about isn't really a benefit. Sometimes some people will be like, I'm not manipulating my hair, I am not doing anything to my hair are in braids, so why should I moisturize my hair? The first benefit of moisturizing hair is that it reduces breakage. The more you moisturize your hair, the more it reduces the rate at which your hair breaks. Yes, because let's take it as having long braids. You really want to have a new look all the time, so you change your hairstyle and all that. Even having cornrows and all that, wearing wigs, taking them down, a whole lot of stuff. Surely you're going to put pressure on your hair. You're going to manipulate your hair, so it is going to tend to break because it is dry, and then when the hair becomes so dry, it tends to break in it. That is why you need to moisturize your hair to make the hair soft, to prevent your hair from breaking even while in braid. Moisturizing hair reduces itchiness. I will take this break off when I am done talking about the benefits of moisturizing your hair, okay? And having an itchy scalp is one of the most annoying thing ever, especially when you are wearing a wig. But if you're not wearing a wig, it can be worse. When you moisturize your hair, you prevent dandruff. We have two types of dandruff, which is the first one is caused by dry scalp, and then the second one is caused by fungus infection. Well, some way, somehow, either of these can be prevented by moisturizing your hair, because when you moisturize your hair, most often you prevent breakage, itchiness, and scratching of the hair. Your scalp tends to be moisturized most often, and then there is no need your scalp being dry and flaking out. No, that isn't going to happen if you are moisturizing your hair more often. It also keeps your hair clean, nice, and lasts longer, because when your scalp starts itching, you will have to take down your braids earlier than you planned off. So these are the benefits of moisturizing your hair while in braids. And the next, I am going to talk about the application. That is how I prepare my leave-in for moisturizing my hair. So you get your spray bottle. You get your spray bottle with water. I have water inside it. Your leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use the Cantu leave-in conditioner, and oil, any oil that your hair loves. So you open your spray bottle. You open your spray bottle. You take small amounts. You take some small amounts of the leave-in conditioner. Any leave-in conditioner you have, your favorite leave-in conditioner your hair loves is what you should use, not specifically what I am using, okay? No. So you use any conditioner that you really love to use. You take small amounts of the leave-in conditioner, and then you add it to the water in the spray bottle. You get your oil. That's a castor oil. And then you see the leave-in conditioner is still here. The leave-in conditioner is still here. It hasn't gotten down to the bottle yet. So I'm going to close it and shake it for the mixture to be even. I need to shake it for the mixture to mix very well. I need to shake it for it to be even. It is slightly thicker. You don't want something that is way heavy to weigh your hair or your braids down, okay? So you make it a bit watery, not too much thick. I'm going to take off my wig. It's time for us to spray. When you're spraying, Don't spray too close to your scalp. Spray from a distance so that it goes all over the braids. So you guys can see this is too easy to make. It's only taking long because I am filming. It literally takes me like 2 minutes to do. When you're done spraying, you just have to run your fingers through. You just have to run your fingers through. I'm not saying you should massage because you don't want to cause frizz. You should just run your fingers through. And in running your fingers through, you should follow the pattern of the braid. Just follow the braid pattern. Follow the braid pattern. So I am having a pony cornrow, and I am following the pattern. You see this side of the braid are curved. So you just have to follow them in a curved way. If you're having an upper cornrow, you follow running your hands from the front of your head to the back. Don't massage, just run your fingers through. Just run your fingers through. Don't have to massage, okay? And whilst you're spraying, you should concentrate on the part where your hair really breaks. If your hair breaks them too much, way too much in the middle, you should concentrate very much in the middle. If it has to do with the edges, you should concentrate too much on the edges. And then if it has to do with the tips, you should concentrate very well, much more on the tips. After you're done running your hands through, you pick your oil, your hair oil. This is a mixture of my favorite hair oils. A mixture of all those oils my hair really loves. So you pick your hair oil and then you spray it in your scalp. You spray the oils in your scalp. You run your hands through for the oil to enter your hair and your scalp very well. Right now, you know how you can moisturize your hair even while you are having some braids on. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and don't forget to click on that notification bell because that is going to help you to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Kindly like this video and don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this moisturizing process.